Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I got another package in the mail today. This item I had seen a couple other YouTube channels talk about, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to order it because I was afraid of the whole marketing thing, like you can get it for a good price, but then they're calling you all the time or trying to upsell you. So I kind of stayed away from it, even though it was a good deal. But then Salivate Metal, posted something about it the other day, said he had picked one up, and that it was a pretty good situation. So I thought, why not? Why not pick up something for Spot? So what did I get for Spot? Why don't we go ahead and take a look? Alright, so let's see if I can get this thing open. It's a pretty nice cardboard mailer here that I used. Looks like it's going to make a mess. But let's cut it open. See if I can just tear it at this point. Let me look. Yeah, okay. I didn't black out the label on the front, so let me just tear it open from the side. Here we go. It came out pretty easily. It was in a tucked right in there. So let me take the invoice out of here. All right, so this is what we were after anyway. All right, so what did we get here for our Spot? Well, you can kind of see it glowing there, can't you? Right there. Let me turn up my light a little bit. Probably a little too dim. All right, so let's take a look and see. All right, well, it's wrapped in there good. Tear it open here, and here it is. It is a 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagle. That's right, an American Gold Eagle for Spot. And I bought this before the recent gold jump, so I got it a little bit cheaper. But yeah, pretty cool, huh? What is the date on that? I'll take a look. Let me take it out of the package. So, all right then, here we go. It is a 1999 American Gold Eagle. It's really amazing how small these things are. So yeah, they're pretty small, but they're gold. American Gold Eagles do have some copper in them. They're not pure, like some of the other gold coins that are out there. You see down there, 1/10 of an ounce, fine gold, $5 face value. Of course, you'd never spend it as a $5 bill. But yeah, here we go. For those of you who don't know, let's zoom this thing in. Let me see if I can find myself a dime here. I probably have one right here. Could I send this out for a giveaway? So let's zoom in. You can see here, I think the Mercury dime is actually a little bit bigger, isn't it? Yeah. These over a little bit. Let's put this on top and see if there's a rim left around. There sure is. Look at that. So it's actually smaller than a Mercury dime. But you know what? A Mercury dime isn't made out of gold either. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? Alright, so we got ourselves a 1/10 of an ounce Gold Eagle. And for Spot. And this deal still exists. Now I understand that this deal only goes for so long per day. So if this person sells out for the day, that the deal will come back again the next day. So let me go over to my desktop and show you where I got this from. And just before I go there, I want to make sure that you know that I'm not affiliated with this person in any way. I cannot back up or guarantee the results of what this person sends out. I'm only telling you my experience, what happened with me. So let's go ahead and move over there and take a look. So this is where I got it from. Brett Edgell, edgell.com. And you can see here, you go to his exclusives or his deals, gold at spot. So here you go, gold at spot, daily sales quota reach. Please check back tomorrow. So you can see here that you can't pick it up yet today, but come back tomorrow. And because gold went up, spot price is $161.50. I don't remember exactly what I paid. I could look it up, but it was in the 150s. See if I can see it on my invoice here. And yeah, $156.80. So got it about $5 cheaper. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I think this is a pretty darn good deal. Where else can you get gold at spot? I'm pretty happy that I was able to pick up 1/10 of an ounce of gold. That's pretty cool. Now, one thing I want to warn you about. So there was a deal going around a while back where you could get up to 10 of them at spot. And that deal still may be out there somewhere, but I want you to know this is not that deal. Even though your quantity, you can select up to 10, don't select more than one. Because if you come down here and pay attention to the small print, right here, read the red. Please only add 1 coin per order to your shopping cart. Additional coins will be refunded back, minus PayPal's protection fee of 3%. This offer is for first-time customers only, 1 per household only. So do not add multiple coins to your shopping cart. Otherwise, you're going to pay this 3% fee. And nobody wants to pay 3% for each coin that they put on there. So only do one. One's a reasonable request. It's free shipping. Gold coin, Gold American Eagle at spot. Got mine the turn of the century in 1999. And it is pretty cool. So if you want to go out there, check it out and see if you can get one. Again, I am not affiliated with this guy. I have no idea who he is. I just know he's a website out there that's selling gold at spot. And I know that there's been a couple of YouTubers that have gotten them without any issue. So maybe you could get one as well. And unfortunately, spot has gone up. But what if it keeps going up even further? Then what are you going to do? I don't know. But, it's only a couple bucks difference at this point. Just look at that little, when I zoom in there, it's got a little black spot on there, but it's fine. 1/10 of an ounce, $19.99, American Gold Eagle. You just can't go wrong with the Gold Eagle, can you? Good old American coinage. Gotta love it. And as you know, this design is changing next year. Pretty cool, huh? All right, one more look. I'll set her down a little bit, see if it'll refocus. There we go. Well, that's it for now. I appreciate you watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.